Number 5. The graph of the function f is shown where y equals f of x. What is the y-intercept of the graph? The y-intercept of any function is where it crosses the y-axis. So we just want to be careful because a lot of times we're given a graph where the origin, 0, 0, is right in the middle of the graph, but that's not the case in this one. Here, those are x and y axis, and there's the origin. It's up there. So where is my y-axis? It is this right here. It's labeled with y at the top just to make sure we're seeing it. So it's our y-axis. So I just want to look and see where is my line. This is my line right here. Where is it crossing that y-axis? And it's right there. Just be careful because they draw this, I've seen this before, where those negative signs, they almost line up with these cross lines. So it can be a little hard to see them. Just be very careful with that. That is not a 4, that is a negative 4. So it's crossing there at 0, negative 4. A y-intercept will always have 0 for its x coordinate. So here's 0, negative 4. And if we go and we look down here, sure enough, 0, negative 4, B is my answer. Y-intercept there is 0, negative 4. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.